Oh, hi there. Thanks for visiting me. Today is a really special one because we're going to be doing something new. First, I'm going to be adding some new cards to my tea shop deck to play, and then I'm officially launching my rainy day surprise. So go ahead, grab a blanket, your favorite cuppa, because you don't want to miss this. All right, let's go ahead and set everything up. So this game is all about slowing down and enjoying the moment. I have recently picked up cross-stitching again, and it has been such a nice reminder that I don't need to keep up with everything around me. And hey, let this be your sign that you don't have to either. I've got my setup ready, so let me go over how we play. This is my tea shop that I have named Rainy Day Cafe, and this is my shop deck. So today I am adding new cards because I recently launched the Spring Booster Pack and the Garden Rose Pack. So I have 6 new cards total. Let me go ahead and mix these in. Okay, how we play is we will draw 3 cards at a time from the deck as a shop order. Then we will fill the order by following the card prompts. And then the order amounts are marked on my order form here and saved here. So this is my tip jar. And this is for some little extra savings. So I set these amounts on my shop ID card, and each card has a rarity, and I will save that little extra based off of the rarity in my tip jar. And I'm not going to do it every single play, but when I feel like it, I will put a little extra in that tip jar. And those funds will be going to my new obsession with cross-stitching. My main funds from the game will be allocated at the end of the month towards my debt and sinking funds. Okay, so these are secret recipes. And as I play, if I get an order with both of those ingredients in it, then I have unlocked the secret recipe and I will save those extra amounts. I play using prop money, and then at the end of the game, I will cash it out into cash, but this makes the process flow a little easier, so I'm not constantly changing out bills. All right, so let's see what today brings. Okay, order 1. Oops. Okay, so somebody got a rose and sugar tea, and then the gift shop, they bought my chicken portrait. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6 total. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my prop money there. And if I wanted to add to the tip jar, it would be the rarities. See how they match? So this would be $1.50. So I am going to go ahead and do that and put $1.50 in my tip jar. We did not get any recipe cards. And there we go. And that is order number 1. Okay, our next order is, we got Lady Evermere, lavender sprigs. Ooh, so somebody got a lemon and lavender tea. Every time I play this game, I just think, wow, that sounds really good. I want a cup of tea. Okay. So Lady Evermere is worth 5, and she doesn't have anything extra. And then our ingredient cards are 3, so 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are saving 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 on that round. We did not get our secret recipe, and I am not going to save that round in the tip jar. Maybe I'll do every other round. So there's 8. I'm going to put that black one away. I don't think I'll end up using it. Okay. So there is order number 2. Okay, next order coming through the shop. Mint leaves, little chickie, and an orange tea. So somebody got a mint orange tea, which again sounds lovely. And Little Chickie is a visitor card. So Little Chickie brings you surprise seeds to grow, and we will save based off the current season. It is spring. So Little Chickie is 5 for spring. And another 2 for the tea. So that is 7. And I will tip jar that one. So that is 50 cents, 50 cents. So $1 for my tip jar. All right, here we go again. Bessie the cow, we got another visitor. Choose your play. And a milk. So it looks like Bessie brought her own drink. Okay, so first let's start with Bessie. And Bessie has stopped by for some of your milk tea. She likes to chat a lot. Roll your dice to see how many hours she stays and save the amount you rolled. So we'll go ahead and roll a 6-sided die. And she stayed 4 hours. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got her milk carton. So that's another 2. And this is the choose your play. So you get to play your favorite tiny, mini, or scratch off game. I have some extras in the back of my little binder here. And I think I am going to work on this tiny that I made. So I'm going to roll 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that'll be another 5. This is a big order. We'll put this, let me see if there's somewhere you can see it. You can kind of see it there. We'll put that right there. So that is a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was a big order. And you know, if these amounts get to be too much for you, you can always bring them down. So instead of saving the 11, you could save 11 quarters, or you could add the 1 and the 1 together. You could play the whole thing, add all of the numbers up, and then add the 2 numbers together. It's whatever works best for your budget. So make the numbers work for you. Because the idea of this whole game is slowing down and saving in a way that isn't stressful. So on the choose your play, you can actually play those funds in your tip jar. And I'm going to move the 5 to my tip jar. So that was actually a $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 order. All right, I'm going to play one more hand this round. So let's see our final visitor through the shop today. Picnic basket, cinnamon sticks, and another choose your play. Okay, so someone got some cinnamon tea and they purchased a picnic basket from my gift shop. So that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four going into there, and then our choose your play. So we are back to our cute little bunnies. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is another $3. So 2, 3 that I'm going to put in my tip jar. Okay, So we saved quite a bit today. Let's see our total. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. And here is my 31 that I'm going to put in the front here. And my tip jar got 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 50. So I'm going to save that 50. Here is my 10. So I'm gonna, where'd that 50? Doy. So I'm gonna put it like this so that next time when I play, if I have change over, maybe it'll change into bills. And I'm gonna put my tip jar in the front now so that I know that's my tip jar envelope. That's such a fun and relaxing game. Okay, and here it is. I am officially starting my rainy day surprise today. I wanted to do something to celebrate my members and Etsy customers. You guys have no idea how much joy you bring me with your support, and I wanted to return that excitement by giving something back. And there is nothing like a cozy little surprise on a rainy day to bring you some joy. So as of filming this, I am only 4 days into the month of April. I will do another run at the end of this month, and moving forward, all of these will be at the end of the month so that we get the full total of all the participants. But I really wanted to do a bonus extra today. Okay, earlier today, I used a random generator to choose 3 lucky winners. One member is from my rainy day membership, which is Melissa G. One is an Etsy customer who has placed a physical order of $20 or more, which is Ginger K. And the final participant is a previous member who filled out my rainy day surprise form, which will be Yolanda L. As you can see, I have 4 packs of budgeting related goodies in front of me. I will show what everybody will receive at the end, but I need to note 2 quick things here. One is that if an international member wins the draw, I will have flat packs created for them. But today, everyone is a US winner. And the other thing I have to tell you is I have a little over 30 participants in the rainy day surprise form. When one of them wins, they will be removed from the list. And when that list is completely finished, I may open up another method for you guys to participate in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll a 4-sided die to see which pack everyone is getting. So this is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So we're going to start with Melissa G from the rainy day membership. And Melissa is getting pack number 3. So this is now Melissa's. Okay. Ginger K from my Etsy shop orders is getting pack number 2. So this is Ginger's. And Yolanda from my rainy day form submission will be getting pack number 1. So this is Yolanda's, this is Ginger's, and this is Melissa's. So I'm going to put this pack aside, and we'll probably move that to the next time we do it. So let's go in order. I should have had cards. Okay. So pack number 1 is Yolanda. And Yolanda is getting these cute little sticker packs, this magnetic bookmark, this little bunny sticky note, this pretty spring-themed ballpoint pen, this cat hand correction tape, and this extremely cute Sanrio zipper bag. And each one of them will also get this little kit that I made, which is just a Find the Bunny, Roll Your Dice, Save 26 Plus, and this cute little Each Carrot Tiny. So that is something that everybody will get as well. Okay, so let's put Yolanda's aside. Okay, I don't remember who was who, but I think this was Ginger's. Now in editing, I'll know for sure, so you'll get your pack, but right now as I stand, I don't remember. Okay, so this pack, which I think is Ginger's, right? Okay, is a cute little bunny carrot potion. This is a pack of cards, playing cards, little mini, and they are holographic. This is a cute little scrunchie. You can see it in there, but I don't really want to open it. This is what they call a landscape sticker book, and it is pretty big here. But it's got all of these really cute little stickers so you can create scenes in it. Oh, it's adorable. I'm gonna leave that out of there. So when I repack it, it'll be nicer. These 2 little sticker sheets. This little bunny magnetic bookmark. This little bunny sticky note. This tulip pen. And this really cute little bear embroidered button bag. And our final packet is these cute little rabbit sticker sheets, and there's bears in there too. This little bunny cupcake magnetic bookmark. A little sheep sticky notepad. A pretty rose spring butterfly pen. Ooh, that's comfy right there. Some little cute spring themed potion stickers. A little bee coin purse. Another scrunchie, and this one looks like it has like little peaches or apples on it. And a full set of dice, which has eggs, and there's bunnies in there, and Easter eggs, and little leaflet circles. It is a very cute set. So that is the last pack. That is a lot of fun. So again, I don't know if I was correct in my order, but obviously when I'm editing, I will be able to make a better note of that. But that is what everyone got, and I will be mailing these out on Monday to the lucky winners. And again, I cannot thank all of you enough for watching my videos and saving with my games. Thank you again for visiting with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful Easter weekend. Bye, guys.